Hi, my name's Joanne. Welcome to another episode of 1 Minute Appliance Review with Canadian Appliance Source. Coming here to talk to you about model FLCE752CAW. This is a 27-inch wide laundry center. It's one of the largest capacities. In the washer, it has a 4.5 cubic foot capacity, so quite large for a laundry center. This is giving you good compact space when you're going into, say, a closet into a smaller. Doesn't have the same depth as your full size. Has many different cycles as well, so it's a nice option for condo living or apartment style. If you have any other questions about this or any model we carry at Canadian Appliance Source, feel free to reach out to me directly by phone at extension 822. Or you can visit us at canadianappliance.ca, go to the bottom right-hand corner, open up a chat, and ask for Joanne. And don't forget, make sure you mention you saw me on 1 Minute Info for my VIP price on all appliances and even extended warranties.